it's Esme and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a getting ready with me date night because my hubby and I are going to be going on a really fun date night today, and I figured let's film a getting ready. So I need to go ahead and get started because I don't want to be late. I'm going to go ahead and start my makeup. Let's see. Oops. I have a little baggie that I keep like my favorites, kind of like everyday makeup in, and then everything else that's extra and crazy, like my zillion palettes, are in my drawer system over there. But I feel like I still will use my everyday favorites because I just love them so much. All right, so first I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows, because if you didn't watch my eyebrow tutorial video, then you know that I like to start off with my eyebrows, you know, gotta frame the face. All right guys, so I did go ahead already and fill in my eyebrows. I just felt like I just literally posted a whole video on that. Like, you guys didn't need to see the whole process. So yeah, eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the fun stuff, which is the eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using 2, maybe 3. Yes, I'm the person that uses like a million eyeshadows. So I think I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350 just because I like some of the lighter shades in there. And I'm gonna be using the Makeup Geek Muse palette that looks just like this. I love these colors right here and this one, especially these two. They are my jam. I love these like bricky tone colors. I just feel like they make my blue eyes pop out more. And of course the Juvia's palette, I love these as well. So yeah, I don't really know what makeup look I'm doing. I'm just, you know, just kind of gonna wing it. Just gonna do whatever makes me feel happy. I got my zillion brushes over here. Let's see. First I'm gonna take a really fluffy brush like this, and I'm actually gonna go into this color up here and do a very kind of like dusting all over the eye, because I did prime with my concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows with, and I always like taking a really light, kind of similar to my skin tone color, and just, you know, kind of set in that concealer. And I just feel like every time you do this, it just makes your eyeshadow blend so much faster and smoother. So what I like to do is I like to kind of start building up the transition area and just really getting it looking nice and seamless. Like I said, you guys, I don't have a look in mind. I'm literally just playing with colors. So So these are the 3 outfits I'm kind of debating between. This one here is a romper, which is really fresh, really flowy because it is hot in Vegas right now. So that's one option. And then my next option is this really light and airy, like silky tank top with just some basic high-waisted black jeans, or this tank top with one of these maxi skirts. They're, you know, really long maxi skirts. Really, I love this material. It's so freaking fresh and soft and very flattering, especially if you're a curvy person like me. So I think since it is kind of like a more like evening thing, I don't know if I'm gonna do this number because I feel like this one is kind of more like a daytime, but I'm debating between this top with the jeans or the top with the skirt. So, and I have my 2 shoe options there. Some white Aldos and these really cute like pink Jessica Simpson heels, and I don't know. We'll see what I decide, guys. It's gonna probably be one of these 2. Alright guys, so after I did my makeup, I just went ahead and finished curling my hair, got dressed, and I did go with the jeans. And yeah, I didn't get to finish filming at home because we were already running late. And now we're at dinner. We both got some Thai teas. We got our favorite combination pad Thai and some delicious orange chicken. Frankie, do you want to tell everybody why this restaurant's so special?
Because this is where I asked you to be my girlfriend.
Yep. And now here we are, 7.5 years later, literally eating the exact same meal as husband and wife.
Yeah.
So good. Alright guys, we're gonna enjoy this delicious meal after a show. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Frankie and I are finally home from our date night. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of these jeans, this top, and get into some comfy clothes. And I'm pretty sure we're still gonna make ourselves some drinks. Now that we're home, we have a pretty stocked bar, so pretty sure we're gonna just switch into our PJs, make some drinks at home. That's, you know, your married life right now for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see a full, more in-depth tutorial on my makeup look. And I'll see you guys next time.